Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life.
Guys, bringing you back another fixed video, and today's a really popular one. This is Xbox One. I have Xbox One X here, and this is supposed to be the best of the best, but all consoles have problems, unfortunately. So with all of these Xbox Ones, there's also these problems with a troubleshoot page and the black screen of death. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix the black screen of death or the troubleshoot page. So with me, my problem was the troubleshoot page. So regularly, or my Xbox will just shut off, or it will go onto a page that will say reset or troubleshoot. And when you press reset, it would just freeze. It won't do anything. You shut it off, turn it back on, nothing happens. You'd have to. I deleted everything off my Xbox about 3 times already. Nothing worked, and finally found a way how to fix it. So what you want to do is firstly unplug everything from your Xbox. So I unplugged on my wire that I have connected to a Bluetooth speaker for the sound from my Xbox, even though it's Bluetooth right now. You could have your controller connected, that is fine. So now it's working, so I'm in this, so I'm not going to be actually doing what I'm saying, but I assure you it's going to work 100%. So what you want to do is, while your Xbox is on, even like on the troubleshoot page or on the black screen, you want to make sure your controller is turned on. Hopefully your controller turns on, and then once you go down to your cord, your power cord for your Xbox, make sure it's your Xbox and not your TV, and unplug that. And now when you unplug that, it's gonna make a little puff sound or something like that, and then it's gonna go out, the light's gonna go out and everything. You'll wait 10 seconds after you do that, right? And just make sure everything's unplugged, and then while everything's off, everything's unplugged, that cord is unplugged, the main cord is unplugged from the wall, you wanna hold down the power for 30 seconds while nothing's plugged in. So it's not plugged into the wall, the power cord's not plugged into the wall. Hold it down for 30 seconds, right? And then count to 30. Once you hit 30, it drains everything. So your Xbox has like a updating mode, so it updates when it's off. So sometimes it still has power left in it. And now, not a lot of people know this, but by holding it down, it drains everything, because it tries to turn on, but it can't turn on because it has no power. And there's always power left in it, always, no matter what. So you've unplugged it from the wall, you unplugged everything from the Xbox, you waited 10 seconds, you pressed it for 30 seconds, and then what you want to do now is plug your cord back into the wall. So plug that right back into the wall, and then after you plug that back into the wall, you want to press it once with your finger. So once with your finger, not with your controller. Make sure you don't do it with your controller, and then hopefully you'll either have the green loading up screen, or you'll have, like for me, that's the Xbox X, so it makes like some weird cutscene of the Xbox or whatever, and it will turn on. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, or anything, like it's not working, comment down below. If it does work for you, please also comment down below and like the video, because it really helps me out, you know, like whenever you guys need something, I'm going to be trying to post the fixed videos of it. So if you guys have any other questions about anything else about the Xbox One, or about any other questions, just leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next. Peace.